I love you mga ka-viewers. I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one. If you must cling to someone, now and forever, let it be me. Each time we meet, love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, what would life be? So now when you leave me lonely, tell me you love me lonely, and that you'll always let it be me, and that you'll always let it be me. I love you mga ka-viewers.